So for this video, we're gonna need this phone and this cool thing. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. This is the product that we're gonna talk about today, and this is the phone that it's gonna fit in it. That sounded weird. So in this box we have a video call stand for the Nokia 6630. This is how the front of the box look. And the right side, it's what it's called actually, a video call stand. A lot of writing with Nokia 6630 and the model PT8. With Nokia video call stand and Nokia 6630 phone, you can see who you are talking to, basically from fancy camera. And this is the back. See who you are talking to. I'm guessing front-facing cameras weren't much of a thing back then. So let's open it up. This is brand new, never used. Here it is, and nothing much else in the box. And in here we have the stand. Pretty huge box for a small device, but this is the stand. This is the back of it, the front-facing camera, and the connector for the phone. Also, this is how you put it, standing, you know. On the back here we have this cable, this cable goes to the phone, and then this connector is where you put the charger. Let me show you. So here's a charger for it. We connect the charger right here. The phone just clicks in here. There you go, connected. And we can put the charger here as well, so the phone charges. And this is how it looks. I'm gonna put it standing down so you can see it. Just open this so I can put the charger in a connector. And there we go, it's charging. Now, I can't actually use as the camera, you know, if I get in the camera, the normal camera will start up, the back one. And I don't have an option to start this front camera. However, let's type a random number, options, you can call, video call. Not supported by network. Call, video call. So unfortunately I can't make a video call. I really wanted to show you how it works. Usually it will appear a big image here with the person from the other side which you are calling, and a small image with your face, what he sees basically. So that's kind of it with this pretty cool dock. So let me know in the comments, did you have this dock back in the day, or do you have it now? Yeah, so leave a comment. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And like always, I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself, and all the best. Bye.